Hey guys, it's your girl Laksmy and I'm back with another video. This video is gonna be one of the most requested videos that I've had from my Instagram. This is going to be the what's in my bag video. Now, just a heads up, my bag is full of junk. I don't really like really big bags because it gives me the ability of like loading a bunch of stuff in it, and I like carrying everything around with me, which is not good. But anyway, if you guys are interested in watching this video, then stay tuned. All right, you guys, so to begin off, this is my bag. It's huge. This is the one that I'm currently using right now. I got this bag for, I don't know if it was a birthday gift or a Christmas gift from one of my ex-co-workers. It's not no crazy brand, but it's a beautiful bag and I love it. And I love this hot pink and I like tote bags like these. So I'm very, very like in love with it. Oh, by the way, disclaimer, excuse my busted nail. It broke in my sleep. I don't know how. It broke in my sleep and it didn't even hurt, but you know, it's gone. But I have to get it done this week and I will get it done this week. You know what I feel like every time I film a video, my nails are so busted. You guys probably think that I'm like this dusty ass chick who never gets her nails done. But I do get my nails done, okay? All right, so anyway, first thing I'm gonna take out of my bag, mind you, look at this. And this is, like, I'm telling you, this is not stuff that I just like, you know, planted in here for this video. I literally just got out of work and I just sat down here and I'm like, you know what, I have to declutter my bag. So let me just do a what's in my bag video, being that it was requested on my Instagram so you guys can see, or like, so you guys can see basically what I have in my bag. First thing I'm gonna dig out is gonna be my little makeup bag. This is one of the bags that I got from, this is one of the glam bags that I got from Ipsy. Maybe, I think it was the first one that I ever got. And I have some, you know, I don't even have much in here because the thing with me is that I keep a makeup bag, but then during the day, if I'm like, you know, retouching my makeup or anything like that, whatever I take out, I just throw in the purse and then I'll put it back in the little bag. So this only has like a powder from Milani, my favorite blush by No Cosmetics, this blotting powder by Flower Beauty, and what else is in here? My favorite mascara of all times, which is the Superhero by It Cosmetics. That's what I have in here. The rest of the stuff is probably just thrown in there, but you know, whatever. Anyway, moving on. This is another thing that I have in my bag. This is my new journal. I actually got this from one of my best friends. She gave it to me as a Secret Santa gift, which I'm super excited because it's beautiful and I needed a new one to start writing down my video ideas. I still haven't written anything. I have some stuff that I have to transfer from my old journal, which is this one. Oh my God. Which is this one. I have all my video ideas and notes and stuff in there. But this one's way cuter and it's gold. So I'm gonna be transferring these ideas into this one and, you know, putting this one somewhere because, you know, it's not cute like that, like this one. So yeah, this is another thing that I carry. I always carry my journal in my bag with me because sometimes, you know, I could be out. I could just literally be sitting down and just like, ideas come up to my head and you know I want to be able to write them down and not forget them. So yeah, I keep this always in my purse. Let's see what else we have in here. I have an iPhone charger cable, 2 iPhone charger cables because one is not enough, you know, it is what it is. I have some icebreakers because you know we can't have no stank breath. No. My AirPods, now these things are amazing. My daughter's dad got her a pair of these. What? Hold up, sorry about that. My daughter's dad got her a pair of these for, I think it was her birthday, her 10th birthday. Highly expensive for a 10-year-old, but whatever. She loves them, so I actually wanted to get myself a pair and I got myself a pair, and best purchase ever. These things are amazing. Show you guys in case you guys haven't seen them. This is how they come. This is like the little charging case, and then you just take them out and they're like sucked in there like with a magnet. It's amazing. Next thing is my birth control. Did I take my birth control today? What's today? Tuesday? Sunday, Monday? Nope. I didn't take my birth control today. I'm in limbo. Anyway, moving on. I have receipts. I have a passport application for my daughter. It's already filled out. I just have to go turn it in. Mind you, I'm telling you, my purse is like a freaking luggage. It's insane. I have a Hershey's chocolate bar, mini chocolate bar that just fell on the floor, but whatever. I have whiteouts. Now, I have the fancy whiteout because I don't like carrying the little jar. I don't want it to spill in my purse. But I carry this around because a lot of the things that I jot down on my journal, I do in either highlighter markers or pens. And, you know, this comes in handy whenever I just change my mind on an idea or something. So, you know, you're going to have your handy dandy whiteout in your purse. Come on. I'm not the only one. I'm not the only one. I have my Lacoste glasses. I don't even wear these glasses, and I should because I am blind. But the way my patience is set up, yeah, I'm gonna keep them on for the video. Okay. I don't know if you guys know this about me, this fun fact about me, but I am obsessed. You know what? I'm taking these off. I am obsessed with Chick-fil-A. And I kid you not, I'm getting this out of my bag, a pack of Polynesian sauce. Yes, I carry a pack of Polynesian sauce in my bag because Chick-fil-A just so happens to have the best sauces out there, okay? Now, I can argue this case. It's not as crazy as it looks. They have the best sauces out there. So if I go somewhere other than Chick-fil-A, I have to bring a piece of Chick-fil-A with me. And, you know, no shame in my game. Do it. Try it. Thank me later. Next thing is this guy here. This is a body cream. I use it for my hands. It's by Hemp's. This thing is so soothing. The scent is just amazing. It smells delicious. This is the Triple Moisture Herbal Whipped Body Cream, the blue one. They have different colors. I don't know if they're all called the same, but this is the one that I carry in my bag. Actually, me and my bestie, there's a hidden joke about this, but she know what I'm talking about when she sees this video. Anyway, I have a piece of Reese's peanut butter cup. I'm not too fond of these. I don't even know why I have this in my bag. I think I have this in my bag to bribe my 3-year-old. Whenever she starts crying in the car, I can just have a piece of candy that I can just throw in the bag and be like, here, shut up. So, parents, good trip. Alrighty, then I have my wallet. This is a wallet from Aldo. That's my second job. I work at Aldo as well. Nothing too fancy, just credit cards, money. Nothing too fancy. Let's see what else. I have a parking ticket. Hold up. Did I pay this ticket? Hold up. Ooh, I gotta pay this ticket. Oh, shit. I gotta pay this ticket. Darn it. Is it past the 10 days? Okay, so it's 20 bucks. From 0 to 10 days, and then it goes up to 30 bucks if I pass the 10 days, and then 60 bucks if I pass 20 days. Right now, it's almost past the 10 days, so I still can pay 20 bucks. So I'll pay it tomorrow. I'll pay it tomorrow. I'll pay it tomorrow. I never get parking tickets, yo. Honestly, this pissed me off because this just was a ticket that I got from street cleaners. And I parked right in front of my house where I park all the time, and I'm sure they passed late because they were supposed to pass at a certain time and they passed when it was past that time. So I'm gonna fight that ticket. Listen, I'm not giving them my money. Another thing that I have in my purse is gonna be this Kim Kardashian and Kylie Jenner collaboration. Sorry. This Kim Kardashian and Kylie Jenner collaboration in Double Trouble. That came from that collection right there. This is one of my favorite ones. I keep it in my bag at all times because this shade goes with anything and everything and I love it. This is actually the matte. If I'm not mistaken, it's the one that I'm wearing right now. Yeah, it's the one that I'm wearing right now. So, yep, keep that in my purse all the time. Let's see what else we can do out here. My handy dandy lip Vaseline. Now, this baby I actually mentioned in my, I think it was September favorites. Not sure. It smells like freaking roses and it's amazing. I have these all over my house. Like I have one in my beauty room, I have one in my bedroom next to my nightstand, I have one in my bathroom. I keep it in my purse, I keep one in my car, I keep one in my office drawer at work. I love this so much. I'm telling you, this keeps my lips so hydrated. And for somebody like me who loves wearing matte liquid lipsticks, and you guys know how drying those tend to be, this thing is a lifesaver for sure. Next thing, another one. I wasn't lying. Actually, this one's supposed to go in here. I actually took this one out. Let's just leave it here. Another one. A roll of quarters. Why do I have a roll of quarters in my bag? I think I was supposed to do laundry. Yeah, I was supposed to do laundry. Normally, I drop off my laundry at this laundromat and then they do the laundry for me. And then I pay for like the wash and fold service, basically. But in the new apartment building where I moved, they have actual like washing machines. So I've been wanting to do my laundry myself. But I'm a busy mom, so I don't always have time to just sit in the laundromat, like in the laundry room and do my own laundry. So I just rather pay people. But I did get this for emergency laundry. And if I'm not mistaken, there was supposed to be 2 of those. Where's the other one? Anyway, another Polynesian sauce from Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A, sponsor me. A bottle of Tylenol extra strength because your girl, listen, my headaches are real. Like my headaches are real struggles, real life struggles. Like I can't, listen, I have the jumbo size. You already know what's up. I don't even have to say anymore. Band-Aids because, you know, I'm a mom of little girls. You never know when you're gonna have to pull one of these out and heal a knee or something. What else? What else? I have some... What is this? Oh, okay, this is the ColourPop Ultra Satin Lip Mini in the color Frickin' Frack, which is my all-time favorite. Wait, where did it fall? Anyway, my all-time favorite lip color, like of all times. This color looks good on anyone, any shade, any complexion, like anything. This color is to die for. And I actually have it in a big, let me see if I can find it here. Here it is. So it's the same one, but I actually get this one and I refill this one because this color is amazing. And just to give you guys a little bit of a swatch, in case if you guys are interested in buying it, this is what the shade looks like, but this is a satin lip. Yeah, it's my favorite of all time. I love it. So I keep a mini one in my purse at all times because this is also one of my go-to colors. Next thing, I have a receipt from TJ Maxx. Like when Christmas shopping, and I love me some TJ Maxx and some Ross and some freaking Marshalls and Home Goods because they have amazing stuff for dumb cheap. You know what I mean? You gotta be on a budget sometimes. So, yep. I have some Mentos gum. This gum is, listen, this gum is whack. I literally got this gum because I was driving back from New York and I was tired. So normally if I chew on something, I keep myself awake. And I got this at a gas station in New York City in the Bronx. And this gum is whack. Like it literally lasts for like 3 seconds and it's gone. Like you're just chewing on like plastic. What else do we have here? I have a coupon book from Victoria's Secret that I just got in the mail. I'm actually gonna go get myself some jammies and some undies and some cute lingerie. What else? I have some mail, copies of papers. Look at this. Look at this. It's looking more human now. What else is this? This is a Secret Santa list from my job. Basically, we made a list of the things that we would like or the things that we're interested in. I basically put in mine, I did anything makeup related, hair stuff, accessories, or perfumes. Okay. It doesn't get any more detailed than that. Makeup or, you know, cute stuff. What's this? This is an email for a fellow YouTuber, you know, connecting, meeting people. This is a Christmas list and a sticky post. I have lollipops from my job. and scrunchie, because you always have to have extra ones. Lollipops for my job, for my kids. I like to keep candy in my bags, just in case if, you know, my kids are just acting up, or, you know, or if they behave, I reward them with a piece of candy. Oh, and here is my other roll of quarters for my emergency laundry. Is that it? Are we done? Oh, we have a pocket here in the front. Let's see what we have in here. I have female wipes, because your girl gotta stay fresh. Not saying. And just some panty liners. Again, you know, hygiene, staying fresh, staying clean. Let's see if that's it. Yep, that's it, you guys. As you can see, my bag is completely empty, and I had all that junk in my bag. So yeah, now you guys see what I carry in my bag. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Let me know if you guys liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family. Thank you guys so much again for watching my video. Keep leaving me video suggestions. Chat with me in the comments down below, and I'll catch you guys on my next one.